All right. So today I'm going to run some scenarios because I get asked all the time, hey, I'm making a lot of net profit in my business. How can I legally avoid a lot of the taxation? So here's you, right? I like to draw a tax out for the year. I like to look at it from a bird's eye view. But let's say you're in June and then you got one business and you're making 250,000 net, right? You got to offset the, if you want to legally avoid some, you got to offset the tax. But let's not offset it with stupid stuff. I like the idea of multiple businesses and buying actual assets that you can 100% depreciate and then rent. I like to buy assets, rent luxuries, because the luxuries you can't write them off on your tax. But if you buy, let's say you have one business here. Let's say you are a contractor, right? And you're making 250,000. But see, since you know your industry, you might be able to get into leasing now, like equipment leasing. See, I'm an accountant, so there's not much. What am I going to lease, like a computer? There's not much that I know that some industries know. So maybe you start another LLC here, and then you buy 75,000 worth of equipment, which can 100% depreciate, and then you got a negative here, and maybe you start the business, so you get to take the negative loss against the 250 here. So now you're buying assets, lowering the 250, the rest of it, and putting yourself in a position to start creating more cash flow. Or you can buy like a brand new vehicle for your company. That's another option for you, because some of these vehicles, let's put like a truck here. Let's put a truck there, and let's say 60,000. If it's the right weight and it's a work vehicle and it qualifies as a work vehicle, you could take 100%. So it all depends. But you want, with a tax advisor, you want someone that can look at your whole picture and give customized scenarios that would make sense financially and business-wise moving forward, and also avoid. Like, you don't want to just make decisions just to avoid tax and not think about business moving forward. That's what I'm trying to say. Like, what might make sense for you in particular? All right, guys. Thanks for following the channel.